Imagine this. You meet a potential client, they are interested, excited even, but days go by and they haven't heard from you. Guess what? They've moved on. Sounds familiar? Hi, I'm Tony Koenig, owner of Conic Digital and the founder of Scaling Founders. For the past 18 years, I have been doing digital marketing and helping B2B businesses, local businesses, do more business and grow. I'll reveal the two biggest reasons you're losing leads and, more importantly, how to fix them. Stick with me because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to turn those cold leads into paying clients. Let's get busy. Did you know that 78% of leads never convert simply because of slow or non-existent follow-up? Shocking. And here's the kicker. A lot of salespeople don't even realize they are sabotaging their own success by holding on to biases about who's worth following up with. That's why today I'm going to show you how to overcome both of these challenges so you can finally stop leaving money on the table. Let's look at the cost of slow follow-up. Speed matters. According to studies, if you follow up within 5 minutes of a lead coming in, you're 9 times more likely to convert them compared to waiting even 30 minutes. Just think about that. Every minute you delay is a potential client slipping away. Block out time every day specifically for lead follow-up. Treat it like a meeting with your most important client because it is. So, if you are ready to level up your sales process, click the link below and book a call with me. Let's work on setting up your CRM automations to turning your follow-up into a client closing machine. The other thing is sales bias. It's killing your deals. So here is the hardest pill to swallow. Sometimes we are the problem. Have you ever thought this lead probably can't afford my services, or they didn't sound that interested? That bias talking, that's a bias talking, and it's costing you clients. The truth is, 60% of leads who initially seem cold actually convert after multiple follow-ups. That's right. Most leads don't say yes right away. They need nurturing, not assumptions. One of my clients used to dismiss leads who didn't respond after the first call. When we implemented a 3-step automated follow-up system, they increased their client base by 40% in just 3 months. 3 short months, a 40% increase in business. So here is a simple 3-step system to crush slow follow-up and bias. Number 1, immediate response. Use automation or templates to send a quick personalized message within 5 minutes of receiving a lead. You can do that now via email, via SMS, via WhatsApp. The systems are there for you. There's no excuse. You just need to use it. Consistent follow-ups, that's number 2. So schedule follow-ups every 2 to 3 days for at least 2 weeks. Persistence pay off. And number 3, track and analyze. Use a CRM to monitor which follow-ups are working and tweak your approach as needed. Personalize as needed. So there you have it. Slow follow-up and lead bias are 2 of the biggest reasons you're closing or you're losing clients, but they don't have to be. Start implementing these strategies today, and I guarantee you will see a difference. Rewatch this video, get it done. So if you're serious about growing your client base, book a call with me through the link below. Let's create a follow-up system that works for you on autopilot. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more actionable tips. I'll see you in the next video.